In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to name your group, and how to open it up for further configuration so you can start organizing your audience with confidence. Start by signing into your Mailerlite account. Open your browser and head to the Mailerlite sign-in page. If you normally use Google to log in, click the Google option, then choose the appropriate Google account for your workspace. Make sure you're selecting the account that's connected to your Mailerlite workspace to avoid landing in the wrong place. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the subscribers section in the main navigation. Click subscribers to open your audience area. This is where you'll manage contacts, view their details, and organize them for targeted communication. Inside subscribers, select groups. Groups are a powerful way to cluster people for campaigns, automations, and forums. Think of them as flexible buckets you can add subscribers to manually via automations or through sign-up forms. It's a simple structure that keeps your targeting clean and your reporting straightforward. Next, click Create Group. This will open a field where you can name your new group. Choose a clear, descriptive name so anyone on your team can understand its purpose at a glance. A consistent naming system helps a lot. For example, you might include audience type and source, such as prospects, webinar, March, or customers, VIP. Keep names short, avoid special characters that might confuse filters, and use the same words you'll use in your email targeting criteria. Once you've decided on a name, type it into the field and click Create. Just like that, your group is set up and ready to use for email campaigns or automations. You'll now see an option to view group. Click View Group to open the group page and explore its settings. From here, you can add people to this group, connect automations that place subscribers here based on behavior, or use the group in forms to route signups automatically. You can also revisit this page anytime to check member counts and make quick adjustments. That's all there is to it. You signed in, navigated to subscribers, opened groups, created a new group, named it clearly, and then viewed the group to continue configuring it. Keep your naming consistent, use groups in your campaign targeting, and you'll keep your Mailerlite account organized as your audience grows.